Bonnie. Happy Sunday. I am back. Oh my goodness. We're going to talk about polishing your furniture with Bath & Body Works body cream. This is like my favorite hack. But first, oh my gosh, fiber optic, AT&T. Shout out to AT&T. So we were like waiting and waiting. I could never get AT&T in here because it was my fault. I was like, didn't work around our schedule to install the fiber optic because we're always online. Finally had him do it. My last video that I uploaded, it was on YouTube in like 5 minutes. I'm like, this is a game changer. So you're going to be getting videos a lot quicker from me and possibly longer videos, because if I do like a 45-minute video, it would take like 2 to 3 hours to upload, and then sometimes it would crash. So I'm like, maybe I can do really long videos now. I'm excited. So, okay, aside from my excitement over the fiber optic, I'm also excited because my house now smells like pink pineapple sunrise. I did a whole cleaning this morning, and using the Bath & Body Works body cream is like my favorite hack. So, first thing I'm going to do is put up a little video I took with my phone, and then I'm going to show you what I did. It's only like, 15, 20 seconds, but then I'm going to explain it all. I didn't do too good taking videos this morning on it, but we're going to talk about it. So let me show you the video first. Okay, so it's super simple. I just put the body cream on a fluffy wash rag and then kind of smush it around, and then I wipe down my furniture. It picks up dust. It makes the furniture very shiny, and it leaves an amazing scent. So I just do this, once a week. So I started doing this, I want to say like 10, 15 years ago, because what had happened was I had run out of furniture polish, and I remember looking at a body cream for Bath & Body Works, and I think it was Twisted Peppermint. It was around Christmas, and I remember going, I don't know, would this work on my furniture? So like a light bulb just went off, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try it. So what I did was, like I said, I took a fluffy wash rag. These are just, older wash rags. I just have a stack of them for cleaning. I like the fluffiness, like the terry cloth. And then put a little bit of the body cream on. I don't like the microfiber. That doesn't work again. I like the cotton one. And then what I do is I kind of just smush it together. And then I just wipe my furniture. And it works so well. I do not like spray-on furniture polish. I don't like Pledge. It gives me a little bit of asthma. I don't like the oil furniture polishes. I like this one. It works so well. So what I do, and I don't have expensive furniture, I would do a test if you have really expensive furniture. I have a lot of bookshelves, obviously, for all my products. I have bookshelves in my living room. I have a TV stand. I have a fairly nice bedroom set that I bought like 20 years ago. And I've been using the body cream, and it works really, really well. So, as many of you know, in the body cream, vitamin E, aloe, shea cocoa butter, hyaluronic acid doesn't seem to bother the furniture. The new formula, I don't notice any difference on my furniture from the old formula. The one thing that you want to do, though, is make sure that you rub it in fairly well and then wipe off the excess, because you don't want the cream like left on the surface. It just looks a little bit dull. So I just make sure I rub it in really well. I don't use the lotion. I don't know why. It feels a little bit thinner. It doesn't make it as shiny. I don't know. It just didn't work as well for me. I always use the body cream. And what's nice is sometimes you have a lot of like body cream left over from season to season that you may go, you know what? Maybe it separated a little bit and then you just shake it up, but you don't want to use it as body cream. Use it on your furniture. It's a great way to do a use it up, and then your house is going to smell like whatever body cream you use. And you can do different rooms. Like you might want to do like a little pink pineapple sunrise. Did I call this pink pineapple punch, by the way? I feel like I called it pink pineapple punch. Pink pineapple sunrise in the living room. Maybe you want to do some coconut pineapple in the bedroom. And, around the holidays, it's a really nice way to add some scent into your room. For example, I know a lot of people, sweet cinnamon pumpkin, they don't always use it like as a body cream because it's kind of strong. I mean, sweet cinnamon pumpkin is not something you always want to be wearing. But let me tell you, you put it on your furniture, and all of a sudden, your whole room is going to smell like sweet cinnamon pumpkin. And I'm just sitting here looking out the window now because it's so cold, and I'm like, I miss sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Do you ever do that? I know, fall's a long way away. We still got summer. But once in a while, like, I'll just go, fall scents. We better have a pumpkin apple body cream this year, by the way. We better have that. That is like on my wish list. So anyway, I know many of my viewers have been doing this. If you have tried this, let us know in the comment below. But it's a great way to get your house smelling good and to use up a lot of your Bath & Body Works body cream. So that is my big cleaning hack for today. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.